Hey quarantiners, how is everyone going out there? I hope everyone's doing fine. There's a major concern going around due to the fact that COVID-19 has been spreading out wild craziness. It's like a wildfire going on, it's now a global pandemic. As started out as just a epidemic, which just in mainland China, so many cases got over there, and now it's spread the full globe. So in my country right now, a lot of cases have been found as compared to other countries out there like USA, Canada, Australia, England. We have all the countries out now, unfortunately, under this case, and a lot of people are in quarantine. There are so many cases, and the other thing is that how are we going to avoid this deadly situation is that we need to follow precautionary measures, and the government our country told us so many, like to wash our hands and to keep ourselves clean and avoid personal contact from anyone. And the other thing is that people are trying to buy these kind of products like tissue paper and hand sanitizers, but they're unfortunately in a short range and they're in shortage. So what my people are about to show you guys is that we're have a plan to make this kind of video, and these kind of masks we have, and these are really expensive right now in my country, and there's a shortage of going on. So yeah, okay. So what we're gonna show you is that we're gonna make these at home by ourselves, just with our own home supplies. So stay tuned and let's watch this video till the end. I hope you guys like this one. So the material we need is this tissue paper, kitchen tissue paper, stapler, and rubber bands. Now I'm gonna get just two pieces of this tissue, one and two. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna gently take it out, and you can see that there's two pieces for it. Now what we're gonna do is gonna fold it. Step number 2 is folding it like this. I'm gonna give a crease like this and the sideway crease, and we're gonna repeat like this till we finish the paper. Once it's finished, we're gonna check if it's we're gonna rip this piece out. I could get a scissor or not, but I'm gonna take it out with my hands. I'm gonna take this part because this is excessive and we want to fit our face. So now I'm gonna get some rubber bands. I just need 2, and I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna give a fold like this. One fold over here, get the rubber band, and put this rubber band inside like this. Once it's done, we're going to staple it once. Once stapled, I'll go on the other side and do the exact same thing. Wrap it around, give it a fold, and staple it. This was the third step. Now, as we staple them, our mask is ready to be used. Just open it from here and put it in your mouth. So we have this guy to show it. I'm gonna put it first. We're gonna put it in the mouth. And do try this out at home. It's very simple and easy to do, step by step, as I guided through the whole video. And my message to all my viewers is that I hope everyone stays safe from this COVID-19 unexpected situation that is happening, and be safe out there. Use those precautionary measures. Wear your mask all times. And as you know that the virus is really big in size, and while wearing this mask protects you from outdoors or whatever environment you have. So hope you like this video, and make sure you tune in and subscribe to the channel for more updated videos. Thanks guys, peace out.